Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Friday, 8 May. We're sponsored by WAC Architectural, brilliant style built for projects. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. AMS OSRAM reported a strong first quarter. They're working in AI data centers now and will sell components for augmented reality smart glasses. Investors loved the announcement. IES is accepting nominations for its 2027 Board of Directors with 7 open positions. Members are encouraged to apply or nominate others by the 15 May deadline to help shape the future of the lighting profession. We link to more information at edisonreport.com. Manuel Andrews, founder of Ryder Solutions, focuses on skilled labor for commercial lighting installations. His Akron-based company highlights labor as a critical industry bottleneck, building success through reliable crews, strong partnerships, and adaptability in a challenging market. Read more at edisonreport.com. Zumtobel is hiring a U.S.-based national account manager to drive growth across key accounts in the Midwest region. The role focuses on building relationships, developing sales opportunities, and coordinating with global teams. It's a hybrid position. Apply at edisonreport.com. Yesterday, the Dow dropped 314 points. NASDAQ was down 33. AMS OSRAM gained 29% on their news. 29% in one day on huge volume. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great weekend. Pray for peace.